What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing today? Welcome back to the Juan and Jaden channel. Here we go with another unboxing. Before I get into the video, before I start the video, please be sure to subscribe to this channel, please. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. He and I both would greatly appreciate that. All right, let's get into this unboxing here. This is actually for, this pair of shoes is actually for my son. When he saw me with my red carpets, I was really trying to get a red pair of the red carpets for him. Didn't have them in size, so found something else for him. Let's see, let's get into this. I know he will like it. And I will be sure to have him do his own review after he wears them. All right. As y'all see, it's another pair of Lebron 17s. Which colorway are they? Let's see here. Let's wait and see what colorway it is. See. It's size 10 for him. All right, let's open it up. Supreme. Yeah. Okay. Don't know what that was about. I had to get these off the aftermarket site for him. All right. So these are the black and whites. The Lebron 17 black and whites. Already I'm noticing some differences between the black and white and the red carpets. Interesting. All right, let's get some close-ups of this shit. I like doing my close-ups. Just the bottom of the shoe. Right there. I like this tongue, so I see. I'm king. All right. Notice the thing with the 17s, all of his tongues are different. Let's get into this here. Of course, all of this is what's called, you have your foam posit. This is called knit posit. Just looking here. It's pretty, like you see the fabric, like looks like yarn trapped in posit material. It's pretty cool. You see here? It's actually really nice. It actually has kind of a lavender color though. Very interesting. Yeah, these are nice. Get your backward swoosh. It's actually metal. All right, here's your Air Max, your air units here. As you see. Let's see what's inside of this shoe. Anything different? All right, this one has something written in it. What is it? Okay, there's a lot in there. Jeez, it's got a whole passage written in here. It's a Theodore Roosevelt quote. Oh, I'm not worried about reading it. I'm sure you guys are interested in that. All right, so let's see if there's any differences in this one. Oh, yeah, the tongues are different. So, like y'all saw in the unboxing of the red carpets, how the tongue was totally, each tongue was different. So the tongue is different on here too. Some really like that. So you get the lion head with the signature. And I like how the lion head's eyes actually pop out. It's very interesting, but you see there are some differences in the tongue. This is nice. All right. Well, here you go. This was my unboxing. This is actually the first colorway of the LeBron 17s, which is the black and white. Very nice. Yes, these are nice. So this is the LeBron 17. Again, this is the LeBron 17 black and white. This is the first colorway of the LeBron 17 that he dropped. So I think my son would really like these. I really do. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Actually, I will be doing a review of the red carpets. I did an unboxing. I'll be doing a review of the red carpet soon. Uh, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thanks. Peace.